Hey guys, it's Ricky here with DashCam Documentaries, and today we are going to document and investigate the Echo Park Lake, which has become in recent years a homeless encampment. Now, there's a lot of history behind this reservoir lake you can see to the right, and we are going to investigate that history and also learn about how this homeless encampment started. And as always, you're welcome to join me. Just get in the car and buckle up. Okay, now we are just going to take a circle around Echo Park Lake right now, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of history regarding this reservoir or lake, as it's called. Now, it started way back in 1868 when it was a reservoir to capture water from the LA River. And in 1891, the owners of the reservoir decided to give the 33 acres of land around the reservoir to establish a park, which is exactly what they did. And you can see in recent years, the park has become quite a congregation for people experiencing homelessness. Now, the reason why it's called Echo Park in the first place is because way back in the 1890s, the city park superintendent, Joseph Tomlinson, thought he heard echo noises as they were building the park. And he decided to name it Echo Park. And about 7 years ago, this park had a $45 million facelift. So they improved it, they made sidewalks, they they basically renewed and refreshed the appearance of the park, and that cost $45 million. Now, a lot of what they did is still looking very new. Okay, now pulling up here, you can get a very clean picture of the beautiful reservoir park that we have here. Now, a lot of people ask, when did this park become a homeless encampment? And by all accounts, it started November of 2019, where basically 30 tents had gone up. And about a month later, an additional 30 tents have gone up. And it just went up exponentially from there as the homeless problem in Los Angeles continued to get worse. There were more and more tents going up, and now there are hundreds and hundreds of tents here in this park area. Now, it is quite a lively gathering of people here that live in the park. There's a makeshift kitchen where food is cooked. Every morning, phone chargers are brought in by various organizations so that people can charge their phones. And at night, this park really comes to life with people playing drums and musical instruments, and it really is alive. And in fact, yesterday I was passing by here and I saw a lecture going on with a guy with a microphone, and it actually was right in this area here where the lecture was going on. So they do have various gatherings and social events. A lot of the people that live in this park actually go to the church right across the street here, which is the historic Angelus Temple. So there is a lot to do here, and a lot of people always around to basically hang out. And another thing that's popped up around here are these RVs. Now I'm gonna pull up next to this one here. RVs do park here at times, and people do live in those as well. And you can see the bathrooms to the right, they have been repaired and refurbished for all to use. All right, coming around one more time here. Now, a lot of people ask, what do the local residents think about all the people that live in Echo Park Lake? And it's really a mixed bag of opinions. Now, some people welcome it and they sympathize with the individuals experiencing homelessness. Other people don't like it, and they have gone to the city council to see if these people can be removed. So it really goes both ways. Now, the fountain in the center of Echo Park, and I'm going to come by here to give you guys a picture of that, is quite a beautiful geyser. And you can see the paddle boats also floating around it. They are in the shape of a swan. So quite festive here for families to come and enjoy. There's also a snack shop, which I am going to be approaching on the right, coming around here. So people do still enjoy this park and the lake. It hasn't stopped anyone from coming here, and it is quite the interesting gathering at any time of the day. And here it is to the right, the historic snack shop. I'll kind of come over here and give you guys a little better view of that. Okay, now among the beauty of this park are the many flowers that you can see that have been planted. Now, one interesting story is that way back in the 1910s, when silent movies were being filmed in this area around Glendale Boulevard, which is on the other side of Echo Park Lake right now, a lot of the silent movies, the Keystone Cops and Charlie Chaplin movies, were actually being filmed in this area, and a lot of them came here to Echo Park Lake. Well, what they found was a lot of these beautiful flowers that were planted were actually getting trampled upon. So the city council did tell the movie makers of the time to stop filming here. They actually banned all filming of movies because their flowers were getting trampled. So that is an interesting part of Hollywood history, and we are approaching Glendale Boulevard, so this is where all those movies would have been filmed, right over here. So we're just gonna take one more tour around and probably wrap up our video here. So we hope you enjoyed today's episode of DashCam Documentaries. I'd like to hear your opinion on the homeless crisis here in Los Angeles and what you think about parks becoming encampments to help these people. So you can just leave comments down below, and please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon and look forward to seeing you on the next adventure.